guys, today I'm delighted to see you for a new lesson. We are going to learn some expression about the word matter. Jodi a nous allons apprendre quelques expressions avec mot matter. Let's get started. The first one is no matter, no matter.
No matter what.
Or it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
No matter or it doesn't matter. Ki sa no matter vle di? No matter ou bien it doesn't matter is a way to say something is not really important. Ça veut dire un bagay pa vraiment gen importance. Ou te capable traduire en français par peu importe. No matter ou bien it doesn't matter. Let's see an example. The first example is no matter what happens, we'll always be friends. No matter what happens, we'll always be friends. Ça veut dire n'importe bagay qui rive, n'a toujours été amis. N'importe bagay qui rive, n'a toujours été amis. No matter what happens, we'll always be friends. No matter, ou capable dire tout, it doesn't matter. The second expression is what's the matter? What's the matter?
What's the matter?
What's the matter is a question you can ask someone when you want to inquire about someone's problem. Ça veut dire son question capable poser au monde pour demander qui ça gagne, qui problème ni. Ou dit ça, what's the matter? For instance, what's the matter? You look upset. What's the matter? You look upset. Ça veut dire ça gagne, qui problème ou semble contrarié. What's the matter? You look upset. The third expression is a matter of time. A matter of time.
A matter of time.
Ça veut dire une question de temps. A matter of time. Ou utilise expression ça pour dire un bagay inévitable. Ça veut dire ça va arriver à l'inévitable. A matter of time. Ou dit son question de temps. For instance, it's a matter of time before she wins. It's a matter of time before she wins. Ça veut dire c'est une question de temps avant le gain. A matter of time. And the last expression about the word matter is for that matter. For that matter.
For that matter.
For instance, I don't like candy. For that matter, I never buy it. I don't like candy. For that matter, I never buy it. Ça veut dire m'pa aimer bonbon. Peut-être ça m'pa jamais acheter. I don't like candy. For that matter, I never buy it. For that matter is another way to say for this reason. C'est une autre façon pour dire pour raison ça. Ou dire for that matter. So today we learn 4 expressions about the word matter. Let's review together. The first is no matter or it doesn't matter. The second is what's the matter? The third is a matter of time. And the last one is for that matter. For that matter. Now we learn 4 expressions with the word matter. Tell me in the comment what expression you like to use. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.